Hey guys, it's Mrs. Bryant. Welcome back to your next flipped video. Before we get started, I need you to hit pause and get the notes that I handed you in class today. And once those are ready, we can go ahead and get started. This video is going to be a very quick video. It's just a review of what you learned last year in 7th grade math and about some vocabulary. Other than that, we will practice in class identifying linear relationships on Monday. So when you're ready, go ahead and press play and we'll get started. So linear relationships, if you remember, a linear relationship is always graphed as a straight line. Okay? If you'll look at the examples, even though this is not a connected line, you can tell that the dots form a straight line. This is a straight line, and so are all of these. The table, equation, graph, and situation for a linear relationship all have a constant rate of change This value can be represented by the change in y over change in x ratio, or the change in y divided by the change in x. And again, this has been a review of 7th grade math. So a linear proportional relationship is always graphed as a straight line that passes through the origin, which is the point 0, 0. Now linear means, if you go back here, linear is just a straight line with a constant rate of change. But a linear proportional has to start at the origin. So we've now learned two things, linear and linear proportional. To be proportional, a linear relationship must have the same y divided by x ratio for every row of the table. So if you look at the table, -4 divided by -2 got you 2. 2 divided by 1 got you 2. 6 divided by 3 gets you 2, and so forth. So a linear proportional relationship is represented with an equation in the form of y equals k times x, where k is the constant of proportionality. So on your paper, you need to underline -3, that is your k, -0.3754. Remember, there's an invisible 1 there, so that would be your constant of proportionality. 2, 1/5, 25 hundredths, and 1/2. Those are your constants of proportionality. So the situation for a linear proportional relationship describes a k value multiplied with the independent variable x to equal the dependent variable y. So $15 per hour, 15 would be your k, and this is your x. $20 would be your k, and per month would be your variable x. That's the end of tonight's video. Make sure you have taken the notes and that you have glued it into your ISN before you come to class on Monday. We will go more in depth in this on Monday, so make sure you're ready. Have a great weekend.